We will start using Firebase. You will see how we can use Firebase in our project. So the first thing is to do is to set up the Firebase in our project. And to do that, go to firebase.com and then click on Get Started. Click on Add Project. Give your project a name. Click Continue. Select an account and then click on Create Project. When it's done, click on Continue. To set it up for Android, click on this Android icon right here. It will ask for Android package name. We can find the package name inside this Android folder, app folder, and then click on this build.gradle. Inside the file, you will find this application ID. Click and copy it and paste it right here. This is optional. We can click on this register app button now. When it is registered, we will have to download this Google service.json file. Click on it and it will download the file. This is the file that we have just downloaded. Now we have to add this file into our project, and we have to add it inside this Android app folder, this app folder right here. So simply move it inside this app folder. Then click on Next. Now there are some instructions that is given right here, which is not really for Flutter. So what we are going to do, we are going to follow another website. So if I search for setup Firebase Flutter in Google, you will find many results. I will go to this website, Flutter Fire. So click on this, and inside this you will find that in the Android app folder, we will have a build.gradle file. Inside that we have to add this line right here. Sorry, it is inside Android folder. Inside the Android folder, we will have a build.gradle file. So we will copy this line from here and add it inside the dependency. So if we go to the Android folder right here, we will find a build.gradle file. And inside this dependency, we will add the line that we just copied. Hit save. And then inside the Android app build.gradle, we have to add this line. So it is not this build.gradle that we have just edited. It is inside the app folder. We have another build.gradle. Right here, we have to paste the line that we have just copied. I have just pasted it right here. Hit save. And I believe we are done for Android. So we can simply click Next in our Firebase website and then click on Continue to Console. Now our app is created, but there are some other things that we have to do. For example, we have to add a package to actually use this Firebase in our project. And the package name is Firebase core. So if I go to pub.dev and search for Firebase core, we will find this package. We will have to use it. So let us copy it and add this in our pubspec YAML. Hit save. Sorry, you have to add a colon right here, and this icon right here. So instead of copying it from here, what you can do, you can click on this installing and then copy it from here. That will be easier. So let us replace this with the line that we have copied and hit save. Now it is showing that we have an error in our pubspec YAML file, and let us see. We have added extra space here. Let us remove the space, hit save. And everything is fine. Okay. Next thing we have to do, if our project is running, simply stop the project from this button. Click on this button, your project will be stopped, and then run the project again. And if everything is fine, our project will run. Let's see if this works. Okay, we have an error. Our project didn't run. Let's see what the problem is. To see the problem, you can click on this icon, which will open the terminal. You can click on this debug console tab, then it will show some problem. And it says your minimum SDK version should be 19. So to change the minimum SDK version, we have to go to the build.gradle file. Inside the app folder, go to this build.gradle file and search for minimum SDK version. This is the one. So remove this line, and I will use minimum SDK to 21. Hit save. Now if I try to run the project again, let's see what happens. Our project ran successfully. So I guess we successfully set up our firebase in the project.